So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to enable stickers in Windows 11. So now go to registry editor and open registry editor as administrator, and now go to HKey local machine, and in that go to software, and in that go into your Microsoft folder, and in that go to the policy manager folder, and policy manager, and in policy manager go to device current and device, and in device right click it and click on new and key and name them as stickers, and hit enter. And now once that is done, we can right click in this and click on new and click on dworth 32-bit value, and then name the value as enable stickers, E capital enable and stickers. Now once that is done, we can double click it and change the value data to 1 and then save it. After that is done, we can close this and reboot our system. So well, after and restart, you can right click and you will be able to see this add or edit stickers, and let's open that, and you can see a lot of stickers in this. You keep on scrolling, you see stickers, and how do you add them? Double click and well, that is added. And as you can see, now the stickers are there. How do you remove them? I think you need to double click it and click on the dustbin button, and then again select N2 for this to get removed. As you can see, now it's removed. So if this video helped you on how to add stickers in Windows 11, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.